We will learn how to make a wallet today. The materials you'll need are any kind of paper. You can use scrapbook paper, an old map, old sheet music, a page from an old book. You will need a ruler, a paper trimmer, scissors, pencil, and either contact paper, laminating sheets, or shipping tape. The first step is to cut your paper so that it measures 7.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Then you will need to take your laminating sheet or contact paper, and you'll need to cut it to measure 8.5 inches by 9.5 inches. If you're using shipping tape, just make sure that you make it at least 9.5 inches long. The second step is to lay your laminating material sticky side up, and you're going to line up your paper so that you have at least 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of overlap on each side. You may also have to flip it over the other way and try to line up the tape if you're using shipping tape. Just make sure that you spread out the whatever you're using to laminate your paper and make it really smooth. Carefully pull up your paper and flip it so that it is face down. If you're using shipping tape, make sure that you trim the edges so that you just have a straight, smooth edge. And you should still have at least 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of overlap for the tape. Then you will take the top edge and you will fold the laminating sheet over it. And then you'll do the same thing to the bottom. Make sure that you fold it as closely to the paper as you can. Trim off the corners where the laminating sheets meet. So you should have little notches taken out of each corner. Measuring from the bottom of the paper, you need to go up 4 inches and make a mark on each side. You will now cut triangular notches where the point of the triangle is centered on the mark that you made 4 inches up from the bottom. So you should have a triangle notch right by where you made your mark. You're going to take the bottom 2 flaps and fold them inward. Step 5 is to fold the map at the marks that you made in the middle of the paper. Now you'll fold over the remaining edges of the laminating paper over both sides. And that creates a pocket. So it should look like this. Now you need to cut a strip of paper that is 8.5 inches long by 2 inches wide. Your laminating sheet should be 2.25 inches by 9.5 inches. When you laminate this piece, make sure that you don't have any overhang on the top, but you need at least 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch on the sides. And if you're using shipping tape, make sure you trim around so that all of your sides are even. This will be the pocket on your wallet, and you'll just need a line up the bottom of this strip of paper with the bottom of your wallet. And then you'll fold the laminating sheet around the edges. So now it should look like this. You have two pockets here. And then finally you're going to fold your wallet in half. And if you'd like extra security on it, you can put Velcro on the inside, and there's your wallet.